Hello lovelies, today's video I'm going to show you how to create this beautiful updo hairstyle with two bangs in front. I'm going to use a closure to make it look like we have a frontal on. Okay, so let's get straight into the video. Right here I ventilated the closure using the horizontal method. If you guys want me to make a video on how to do a proper closure, please let me know in the comment section. So the first thing you have to do is to locate where you're going to place your closure. You understand? When you place the front part of it, make sure the back part is going to be together with the pony you're going to have, like the back part you're going to pack. Okay, so just locate that very first place before slicking down your hair so that you don't have excess of your hair or your hair not being together with the closure you're going to pack up with. So the video is self-explanatory, so I want you guys to watch and get what I'm doing. I don't want to bore you guys with my talk and all that. So we're already in the front part. This is the part we've all been waiting for, I guess, right? So this is what you have to do. You go in with your glue or your got-to-be spray and just apply to your hair. Apply it to your hair on that particular spot you marked, so your closure is going to sit on it. This is where we're going to have that frontal effect with this closure. So just make sure you go with your glue, allow it to dry. What I did here was just to use the blow dryer to make it dry so I can apply. You can apply it 2 to 3 layers so you can place the closure on top. You're going to make sure it has a strong hold. You understand? When you apply 1 to 3, even 4 times if you can, just make sure you feel it and have that hold on it, that sticky feeling. Then you know it's okay for you to put and place your closure on top of it. So that's what I did. So just watch and let's see the magic happen. So when you're done placing your closure, this is what you have to do. You can see it's already having that frontal look in the front. Like, it doesn't really look like you do not have front line or good hairline anymore for updo or whatever style you want to do. So what you have to do is to take the back part of the hair and pack it up together with the hair you have up. Do you understand? Make sure you have the back part of the closure just as I did in the video, you understand, to have it packed up so they are going to be together. That's how simple it is for you to have this look. The hair is already looking fine, and I know you love it. I love it too. Okay, so after doing that, the next thing you have to do is to what? Do the upper part of the hair so you can hide the lace showing at the back. You understand? That's how the hair looks already. Okay, guys, this is the back part of it. So this is what you have to do. You take your braiding hair you have, then you have to pack it up together with the back part of the hair to have this beautiful looking bone at the back. So watch and see how it is done. It's self-explanatory, so just watch it. So after packing the hair together with my braiding hair, I went ahead to braid my hair. If you want to do a different kind of bun hairstyle, you can do a messy bun, whatever style you want. Just make sure you have the closure part of the hair covered at the top, okay, so you're not going to see this part of the closure. So I went ahead to braid my hair down, then put it in a bun. So do whatever kind of bun you want to do, and that's how beautiful the hair is going to come out. So while you're done putting your hair in a bun, this is what you do to the frontal part of it. You go in with your bending rollers and begin to roll your hair. Okay, just as I'm doing, to make sure you roll your hair so you can have them coiled. You're going to coil it. So roll it as I'm doing just in this video. When you're done rolling, we're going to soak the hair in water. Like normally you have to soak your braiding hair so the coils are going to stick. Do you understand? So just like this side, you do it to the right, the other side of your hair. When you're done coiling, just soak it in hot water. I'm going to be showing that also, so watch to see how the coils are going to come out. So after soaking the hair, I went in with my blow dryer to have it dried up quickly. If you do not want to mix it with blow dryer, you can wait for it to naturally air dry. Then you unravel the coils and see how beautiful your coils are going to come out. Okay, right here I went ahead to unravel the coils. Do you understand? So this is how the hair actually came out. The curls came out perfect, so beautiful. Make sure you have your hair dried out before unraveling your curls. If not, they're going to fall. Make sure you have them cold properly with hot water and allow it to dry, or use a blow dryer to dry it. So right here I went in with an eye pencil to cover the front of my lace. If you have a good lace, you don't need to do this because it's going to fit perfectly to your skin. I think to blend, but I make use of the eye pencil to kind of fade in the front of it so they look like my skin. Do you understand? So cut off the excesses from the curls, and this is the beautiful hairstyle you have. This hair came out so fine, so lovely. I can't wait for you guys to try it out. I hope you guys love this video. One thing I have to say is that please make sure you have your hair dried out after applying your gel. If not, your gel is going to scatter just like my own. So please make sure you have your hair dried out before you start doing your bond. So guys, this is the final look of the hair. I hope you love it because I love it too. Make sure you let me know in the comment section what you think about this hair, and let me know where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out. Today's shout out goes to Oma Gladys watching from Dubai. I love you so much, man. Thank you for sticking with me. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and comment. Give me the hearts on the comment section. I love you guys. This is Crash to Glam. Do not forget that. See you in my next one. Bye.